Hi guys, most of them get answer 1 for this problem in wrong way. Here 21 divided by 7 times 1 plus 2 is 3. This is 21 divided by 7 times 3 is 21. Here 21 divided by 21 is 1. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, and this here this is bracket exponent, this is multiplication, division, addition, and this is subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this we have to follow this left to right order in the problem. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using the order of operations PEMDAS. Now as per this PEMDAS we have to do this bracket first. So 21 divided by 7 times this is 3. Now we have division and multiplication. Both are equal priority. Now we are going to do this left to right rule. So left to right is this one. So 21 divided by 7 is 3 times this 3. Now 3 times 3 is 9. 9 is the correct answer. So 9.